Hey guys, so on Tuesday, OnePlus announced an official partnership with autosport giant McLaren with an aim to unveil a collaboration product on December 12th in India. And the official landing page on the OnePlus website has the phrase McLaren 60 in its URL, which confirms the arrival of a special edition OnePlus 60. We've seen OnePlus team up with other brands to create limited edition device in the past, like Avengers, OnePlus 60 last year. That model was only released in India, so here's hoping we see the McLaren model more widely available. Although there are currently no leaks or rumors to determine the design of this upcoming product, it is very likely to feature McLaren's logo on its rear. Probably the handset could be sporting an attractive gradient color. It could be equipped with a custom theme and may come in a customized box package. Although I created this concept render in orange gradient color, but it could be totally different than this, so don't take my renders too seriously. According to a report by MySmartPrice, the new McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60 won't be just an ordinary high-end variant. It will also be featuring 10GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Apart from the additional 10GB of RAM, the rest of the specifications of the device could be the same as a regular variant of the smartphone. There is no information available on the pricing, but the current highest model of the OnePlus 60 is priced at $45,999 in India. Probably the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60 may carry a price tag of $47,999. Lastly, the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60 will be made official on 11 December at an event in London, followed by a launch in Mumbai on 12 December. After McLaren Edition 60, now we have some updates on the OnePlus upcoming 5G smartphone. So as we all know at this point in time that the OnePlus is launching a 5G smartphone next year. And now we have the information about the pricing of that device. The 5G technology is likely to make its debut on the market in early 2019. And OnePlus is one of the companies that confirmed plans to release a 5G smartphone in Q1 2019. OnePlus also said that its next flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 7, will not support 5G technology and that its 5G smartphone will be a different and more expensive model. Now, Foodzilla reports that quote-unquote people close to the matter claim the price of the OnePlus 5G smartphone will start at $650, about $100 more than the company's current flagship, the OnePlus 60. According to the latest report, the OnePlus 5G smartphone is likely to use Qualcomm's X50 5G modem. The rest of the phone specs should be similar to the OnePlus 7 since it will be sold as a flagship device but with the 5G connectivity supported. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what do you think about the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60 and the pricing of the OnePlus 5G phone. Also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and I will see you in my next video.